Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So today's recipe is how to make sweet avalakki. So I have done this recipe for keeping it to God like prasadam. So I have used ingredients like jaggery, cardamom, bananas and coconut. So I have cut all the things, like I have smashed the jaggeries, cut the bananas, cardamoms and the coconut. So I have to wash the avalakki. So I have done this recipe for giving it for offerings. So I'm going to add the washed avalakki to this. So I will mix them well. Then you can serve this. So this is very easy to give it for prasadam in the temples and offerings also. So now I'll mix them well. So now it is ready. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for a small video. Thank you.